Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing top best choose 5 weeks 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first week is called Checkra1n and multiple containers per application. So what this allows you to do is you can switch accounts, your data stays in place. So basically you have two accounts or multiple accounts for each application. You can use this for many reasons. If you want, like for Clash Royale, if you want to start up a new account, you have two accounts you can easily switch between. This is a great tweak for that. So yeah, I mean the possibilities are endless with this. It's a really cool tweak. This tweak I have is called Checkra1n Lite. It's the same thing as Checkra1n. Allows you to switch between different accounts for your applications, but it's the Lite version, so it's free, but you only get one app at a time. So if you want the unlimited apps to use at a time, so it's having switch off each time for just one app, then you have to buy Checkra1n, which is the tweak I just showed you before. That's the full version. It's like a couple dollars, but this one's a free version of it. Next tweak is called Deb Keeper. Disable Sidio's cleanup of Deb files. Next tweak is called A Bypass. Guys, I just really want to mention this really quickly. With A Bypass, with Substitute that's not working, do not update both of them at the same time because it actually will give you a respring loop. So something in my mouth. Just be really mindful of that, guys. But what this tweak does, it's actually a tool that helps block some apps from accessing unauthorized space or calling functions authorized by Apple. So it's jailbreak detection bypass. So if an app's not working because since you have a jailbreak, you can use this to bypass that. It doesn't always work, but it works for some applications. Next is called Spark Assay for JB and removes the jailbreak detection for the Spark Assay app. Next is called Music Transport. Transports music or sound effects over a call. So you can actually troll, or you can just use this for a lot of situations. So if you're at a party, so let's say you told somebody you're at a party and you're really not there. Let's say your girlfriend or whatever calls and you're like, oh, are you at this party? You can literally just fake, a call of like a voice or whatever, like a party background to pretend you're in a party. You're literally at home when it's quiet. So you use this for many reasons. That's just one of the reasons. You also can pick songs and stuff like that to play, in the call. So pretty cool. Next tweet is called Call Magic, Advanced Call Features. This tweet is a theme called Descent UI. So that's what it looks like. Set mood with fresh UI. My favorite tweet is called Fly JBX. You can hide, do, and jailbreak your iDevice. So it's basically, in my opinion, I would say top 3 best jailbreak detection, bypass jailbreak detection tweets. Next is called Lottie Lock Screen. It actually added 2 new default clock animations, but animations for your lock screen. This is called Stop Crashing Please, and actually it's an experimental workaround for issues with Damien's crashing frequently on jailbroken devices on iOS 13. So it fits basically that issue. This is called Misshua Forever. It's actually just was updated. It's a real-time audio visualizer, so you can see compatible. This is called ICT Miz Pro. It's a iCustomize Not You app. More than 200 plus features. Compared with iOS 13 up to 13.7. A12, A13 devices are supported. This is called Backrunner and Truly Backrunner apps. It's also my favorite tweets. So you can have apps that say open in the background. And also what's great about this tweet that a lot of other background tweets do not do is that this tweet allows you to still keep the app open and alive in the background even when your device is locked. So pretty cool. So if you're like downloading files or you need something to be on, you need something to be running, you don't need your device to be on, like as in like with the screen's on, you're wasting battery, you can just lock this device and still have it running in the background. So this is called Storage by Name, certain search app storage and preferences by name, size, last use, and install date. Compared with iOS 11 and up, might work on lower iOS versions as basic support is added but not tested. This is called Live Misshua Forever and provides you visualizations needed for Misshua Forever. And last week is called I Don't Know You. And with this tweak, so use this tweak to pin, hide, secure, and block conversations like clockwork. And these are the features. So, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.